Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Palace of Versailles. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to the official platform for tickets right here from where we can get started. So you can click the check availability option. That's going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates. So you're going to select the guide language that you prefer, let's say English, and then it's going to show you all the available dates to purchase your tickets for. Let's say we want to buy tickets for the 14th right here. I'm going to select the date, and then you can go ahead and choose your experience, whichever one you prefer. Let's say this one. You're going to select a time slot which suits you, and then you can go ahead and select what kind of ticket you want. Let's say only one adult English tour, and then you can go to the next page to upgrade your experience. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and go to the personal details. From here, you can get started providing your personal details such as your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. And once you've done so, you can click the next button to go to the payment page. It's going to open up this new menu with all the payment methods that are available to you. So you're going to go ahead and be able to choose from multiple ones such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. And it's going to look like this. So you can choose whichever one you prefer, let's say debit and credit card, and then it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started filling out all our info. So once you filled out your info and click the pay button, made a purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on the email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. And there you have it guys. So go into the description of this video, find the first link, open it up, and get started with getting your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.